Now write the factors of 36. Can you write? Give space. First give space. Yes. Yes, good. 1 times 36 is 36, okay? Comma, write comma here. You should tell me 36 is even number or odd? 36 is
Even.
even. So you should tell me 2 is factor or not factor?
Um,
36
two is a
can be,
factor.
yes. All even numbers, 2 is a factor of all even numbers, okay? Clear?
Okay.
Okay, now write. 2 is a factor. 2 is also the factor of even number. 36 is also even number. So 2 is factor. You should tell me 2 times which number gives you 36.
Um,
Come and divide 36 on 2. That's good. Yes, good, good, great, very nice. Also write minus, minus sign. You are doing subtraction. Okay, good. Okay, good, good, very nice. Yes, yes, good. Okay. Also write the sign. You are doing addition or subtraction. Also write the sign. Write sign here. Hello. Minus. Okay. 2 times 18 is 36. Okay. After 2, what is next factor?
6.
No, you are skipping something. Okay. Before 6, there is also a factor. Can you read the table of 3? There is also a factor before 4. Okay. Understand how can you think this number can be divided by 3 or not? Wait. Can you add the digits of 36? 3 plus 6. What is answer? When you will add the digits of any number, if your number is in the table of 3, you should tell me 9 is in table of 3 or not.
It is.
When you will add any bigger number, longer number, and if you will add its digits, if this number is in the table of 3, if it is the multiple of 3, then we say that 3 is factor of this, okay? So 36 factor 3 is also the factor. You should check 3 times which gives you 36. Yes, 12 times 3. Yes, what is next?
6.
No, you should read other table 4, 4. Read the table of 4 now. You should read the table, okay? You can read the table. Okay, good. Yes. 6 times 6 is 36, but you can write only one factor, okay? You cannot write two factors. Are you understanding?
Yes.
You cannot repeat the factor. You are writing all factors, but you should erase it. Wait. You should write one factor. 6 times 6 is 36, but we will write only one 6, okay? Is it
Okay.
clear? So all these are the factors of 36. I think it is clear to you. Okay. I am writing other number, you should think. C part 32. Factors of 32. Can you find the factors of 32?
Okay.
Give the heading. First of all, write the heading factors of 36 and then you should try to solve. Yes, good. Also write equal. Okay, good, good, very nice. It is better we will write here, okay? Wait. We will write here, okay? Clear?
Okay.
Okay, now write the factors of 36. I am waiting.
Just 32.
Yes, factors of 32. 1, okay, good. Yes, good. Give space, more space. Sometimes we feel difficult to write the all factors, okay? 32. Yes, it is good. Yes, it is good. 1 times 32 is 32, okay? What is next factor after 1? Can you tell me 32 is
Two.
even number or odd?
Even.
Even, yes. So 2 is factor or not factor? You should remember when there is even number, you should write 2 as a factor, okay? Okay, now write. Yes, good. Okay, good, good, very nice. Okay, good. Okay, next you should tell me 3 is factor or not factor of 32. For
Not
3,
factor.
you should add the digits. What is the answer of 3 plus 2?
5.
5. 5 is in table of 3 or not?
No.
Yes, 5 is not the multiple of 3. 5 will be not
4.
in the table of 3. So 3 is not factor of 32. Okay? So good, good, great. Okay, good, very nice. Okay. Okay, you should tell me 5 is factor or not factor. I give you
No.
5 is
Yes.
not factor. For factor, 5 will be factor if there will be 0 or 5 in start in one's digit. Okay, in one's place. If there will be 0 or 5, then 5 will be the factor. Okay, otherwise 5 is not factor. Clear? For example, in
Clear.
25, 5 is in start. 0 or 5. For example, any big number. This 5 is also a factor because it starts with 5 or 5 is in one's place. Okay? It is clear?
Okay. Clear.
Okay, now you are doing 4. Okay, after 4, 5 is you are saying this is not factor. Okay, 6, you should check 6.
No.
7.
It doesn't have 32.
Yes, not 32. Yes, after 7, 8 is already given. Okay, it's clear.
Yes.
These are the factors. Okay, we will move to next page. You should write the factors of 45. Okay. E part, right? The factors of 45.
Okay.
Give the heading. Start heading here, okay? Yes, good. Also write equal. Okay, good, great, very nice. Okay, good. Yes, good, 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 good. Okay, after 1, what is the first factor? 2 will be factor or not factor? First you should tell me.
Not.
Okay, after 2 there is 3. 2 is not factor because 45 is odd number. Is it clear? It's clear? It is odd number, so 2 is not factor of 45. You should tell me 3 is factor or not factor?
Not factor.
No, you just add the digits of 45. Add the digits and check. What is answer? 4 plus 5.
9.
Right? 9 here. For seeing, in order to see if 3 is factor or not factor, we will add the digit of number. Okay? If your sum is in
Okay.
the 3 table, then we say this is divided by 3. Otherwise, we will say it will be not divided by 3. Is it clear?
Clear.
So 9. So this means that 9 is in table of 3. So we say that 3 times table 9 is in 3 times table. So we can say that 45 can be divided by 3. It is clear?
Clear.
Now write 3.
Okay.
Okay, good. Now do. Solve your question. 3 times which number gives you 45? Yes, good. Okay, good, very nice. Right, comma, okay? Comma here. Okay, good. What is next factor after 3? Hello, can you write? What is next factor after 3? 4 it will be factor or not?
Not.
5. Decide for 5. 5 is a factor or not factor?
A factor.
5 is a factor because this number starts with 5 or 0. Okay? When number starts with 5 or 0, then 5 is factor. Okay, good. So between 5 and 9 there is 6, 7, 8. Okay, between 5 and 9 there is 6, 7 and 8. You should think, read the table and check. 45 is factor of 6, 7, 8 or not factor. Check.
Hmm.
Is there any factor between 5 and 9? Hello?
Um,
6 is factor or not factor?
not factor.
7. Read the table of 7.
7, 14, 21, 28, 45, 42, 49, 56, 63.
You should tell me 45 comes in 7 times table or not comes in 7 times table.
Not.
Okay, so 7 is not factor. 8 is factor or not factor? Think. Read the table of 8. You should tell
Not
me.
factor.
Not factor. These are
Not
the
factor.
factors, okay? Are you understanding?
Yes.
Okay, good, very nice.